For your consideration, this is absolutely mint Garrard 0100 idler drive turntable. This table has been fitted with a brand new set-on dust cover. It is a great solution to the original two-part cover that always seems to crack and break. This is a set-on cover. It fits around the lip of the wood base and is secure when set down. Wood base is gouge and mark free. Brightwork is superb. All lettering is intact. None of the levers or buttons have any discoloration. This is fitted with a Shore V15 Type 2 cartridge along with a new aftermarket stylus. In addition to the single plate spindle, we have a drop changer spindle and a 45 adapter. This is a great sounding table. It's been fully serviced. All the auto functions are working. Through the start button, we have cue up to the correct point of the record, along with a smooth descent down. Strobe shows the speed is accurate, steady, and dead on. Same is true for 45. Pitch trimmer is operational.
That's all they got. Start acting, that's all they got. Start acting, that's all they got. Just like the drum that reels to the top of the mast.
Manual cue is operational, along with a smooth descent.
20 years ago, a beautiful girl ran through my backyard that I didn't know had lived before. I ran away in the mud and rain. The weather here is never too bright.
Through the stop button, we have full auto return, rest, and table down. And at the end of the record, full and complete auto return, rest, and table down. If you've been looking for one that's right, this is it. Thanks for considering. Good luck bidding.